Most developers reach for Express right away, but Node.js can create a fully functional HTTP server with just its built-in HTTP module. Let's see how. First, you need to import the HTTP module. Use require HTTP to bring in Node's core networking library. This module is built into Node, so no npm install needed. Next, call http.createServer. This method takes a callback function with two parameters, rec for the incoming request and res for the response you'll send back. Every time someone visits your server, this callback fires with the request details and a response object you control. Inside the callback, set your response headers and status code using res.writeHead. Then use res.end to send the actual content. This is where you define what the browser receives, whether it's HTML, JSON, or plain text. Finally, call server.listen with a port number like 3000. This tells Node to start accepting connections on that port. Your server is now running and ready to handle requests from any client. That's it. Import HTTP, create a server with a request handler, configure your response, and start listening. Master this foundation, and frameworks like Express will make a lot more sense. Practice building a basic server today. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.